Studies show 6 out of 10 Americans are living with a chronic health condition.
90% of our healthcare expenditures as a nation is due to chronic physical and mental health conditions, but yet there's so much we can do to prevent these conditions.
Which is why Lee Health Solutions offers a variety of programs to the community, including diabetes prevention, diabetes management, nutrition therapy, weight management, and chronic pain workshops.
Our programs are very popular because what we teach, again, is not only how to manage a certain chronic health condition, but how to prevent those chronic health conditions and just achieve a healthier lifestyle overall.
The 6-week workshop offers education and support while helping participants develop positive lifestyle changes.
The purpose of our department is to keep our community healthy and well so that you don't have to access the emergency room or our hospitals or our urgent care centers.
Offering tools and support to help people better manage chronic health conditions and live a better quality of life. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.